Okay, we're going to do one more of the windows on the plane here. Mark's going to wipe it down so people don't think we sprayed dust on it or whatever else people were thinking. But it is not very clear.
Yeah, it does.
And I don't know if you'll be able to see it in this one or not, but there's not quite as many microfractures in this one as there was in the smaller one we did earlier.
I got to remember too, I'm still using cloth that's got a little bit of polish. Even if it's diluted, it's a little bit in there still.
So go ahead.
I'm going to come in from the inside.
So to the inside first. And again, it's a north, south, east, west direction. He's going to pull off a lot of the dirt and maybe possibly smoke or whatever else has gotten on the inside of this plane that's causing the windows to be so fogged up.
A lot of goodies in it.
Yeah, 1971, so it's 40 years old. I don't know if you can see the windows on the opposite side, but you can barely see out of them. That'll be interesting to see if we can clean the one on the opposite side and see right through it, because right now I can't see a thing through the other windows. I don't know if that's the reflection or what, but...
Way past me, doesn't damp one.
Dan! No way. Dan, what's going on?
Ward's in there, wants to see you.
You want to give the guys a heads up on what these cost individually to replace?
Yeah, we were just talking to the folks here at the maintenance facility, and each of these windows is about $3,500 with $1,000 from the labor to put them in. So you're talking about $4,500 per window times 7 of them.
7 of these.
And then the canopy up front was about 10 grand or 12 grand with a 3 grand maintenance or labor to install. So you're talking about $50,000 worth of windows here that with a $25 bottle of polish you can clean up to be basically restored to like a new condition. If I were a plane owner, I'd certainly give that a try before I went out and spent $50,000, but that's up to you. We're now going to get the outside of this window, and these go relatively quickly. These are acrylic windows. We're putting on a water-based, non-abrasive acrylic polish, so it's almost a natural fit for these particular pieces.
Very, very compatible product.
Right. It will not remove deep scratches, but it certainly will restore the surface back to its original shape. So Mark's going to apply the water sheen to this, and then the buffing towel. And now we've buffed this particular window out to crystal clear finish. Wow, you can definitely tell on this window, since it's much larger, how much clearer it is. It's almost night and day.
There's 8 windows.
Oh, okay.
There's one up on the last patch here. You can take that one so everybody knows we missed one in our count. So.
Okay, so even more than 50,000 plus.
Yeah.
There we go.